Okay, it's finally arrived today. This is the 1885 Pattern C single shot rifle with a long extraction lever, and the box only weighs 10 pounds, so I don't know. My other ones for the 1878 ones, they were a lot heavier, so I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if this is really missing a lot or it was a lighter rifle. I don't know. So there's no dents or anything broken on this anywhere. The box isn't bent or anything, so I'm assuming, of course we never assume, you make an assy with me, so, and where are we at? Oh, okay. Well, it's not a box in a box. Looks like it might be wrapped up. Let's see. Paper. Here, want to place the paper, Chubbs? Here. Whee! Alright. Okay, we got a bunch of those little bean things in here. Wrapped up. Oh my god. This is going to be a mess, unfortunately. Yeah. It's going to be a really messy job here. Oh boy. Well, they really packed it, I want to tell you that. That's really packed in there. I just hope it's in better shape than the 1878s when I got them. Of course, I don't know. I sort of, don't know with these things because they are totally untouched. All they do is pull it out of their stock and that's it. I mean, they do go ahead and they fix them up themselves. Let's see if this thing is. Oh, got that. Yeah. Wow, what a mess. I'm going to shut this off so I can clean this mess up, and then we'll be right back and we'll take this apart the rest of the way. Okay, continuing right along here. Got rid of that box. Okay. We got the paperwork. Original British P-1885 Martini Henry Mark IV rifle, Pattern C, untouched condition. Okay. Now they do sell these things after they've been totally cleaned, and this is not going to be like that. It's going to be like the other ones I've had. Totally dirty, packed in yak grease. Yes, there is such a thing as yak grease. Alright. True. So far the stock looks really nice. I don't know. Okay. You don't want to go ahead and cut too far. You cut too far and you end up with, well, I think it's going to be messed up. Looks too good. This does look like it could possibly be cleaned up to be a shooter. This even has a butt plate. All my others never had a butt plate on them. I will say this looks like it's more complete than any one I've received so far. Let's get the rest of this off. See what it looks like. Yep, got a barrel. And the other thing that looks good is the ramrod itself. Before, the other ramrods I've seen, they have been all chewed up. This one is in perfect condition. I can't believe it. Actually, this is and not all that dirty for being untouched. this goes inside here, and it screws in. And sure enough, it even threads in. I'll be damned. Yes, indeedy. All right. Well, it is a really long lever. Look at this thing. That's about, oh, probably about maybe 3.5 inches longer than the other one. Let's see, the buttstock is solid. Others I've received have not even been solid. Where you put your bullet in, it looks fine. This is the cocking lever, and it does work. I'll be doggone. You can fire this thing tomorrow, the way it looks. I mean, the barrel, yes, it's an old barrel, but I'll have to run my scope down this, and actually it's a really nice specimen here. I'll be doggone. Ah. It even fires. Go figure. Yeah, there's a cocking lever. It cocks down there. And then the trigger, really short trigger pull on this. Watch the indicator. Get my finger out of the way. That's what it's supposed to do. So all this is going to be is a clean up. And here's something else I just noticed. Oh, wow. Stamped with the date on the bottom. Oh, I'd be doggone. Made and it has the Arsenal number and serial number. I don't know if you can read that or not. I'm going to have to clean it up so you can read it. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is all stamped in the stock. This is the most complete rifle I have seen from them. So you basically get what you paid for. I paid $695 for this rifle. And it is definitely well worth the price. But the other thing with these rifles is anybody can buy these. Because anything before 1899, according to the BATF, is not subject to federal firearms licenses. This, you don't need a federal firearms license of any kind for it because it was made in 1885. And yeah, so there you go. Okay, saw it here first. Not damaged. It's in pretty much perfect shape. Front sight, rear sight, everything seems to be in really good shape. And I'm going to clean it up, but should be pretty good. So there you are. I'm hopefully getting some capacitors in today too. So anyhow, that's it. That's what we have. So talk to you guys later. All right, I'm gonna get this close enough where you guys can see it. Let's see. Turn the light down, use some. Okay. Do you see the crown? Royal crest stamped with number 4. And it was made in 1887. Let me try to see if I can get even closer. Oh, there we go. There, you can see the date now, I think. There it is. With the crown above it. It says VR Enfield 1887. And yes, it's a pattern number 4. So there's the IV. So anyway, I just added this on just to make sure that you guys know I'm not crazy. That's what this is. So they started making them in 1885, and they basically finished in 1888 when they came out with the new Enfields. So anyhow, there you are. It's definitely stamped, got the right stampings on it. There's stampings all over this thing. There's even another one on the buttstock itself that said from the Arsenal. So, well, let me see if I can get that here too. There's this one here. See that circle? That's where it was manufactured. And it's got the serial number and all that there. So there you are. And that'll be it. Bye for now.